Protein supplements. When too much of a good thing can be bad. If you walk through any grocery store in the country these days, you will come to one or more aisles that are filled with supplements of every kind. Every vitamin, mineral, or nutrient in every combination and every formula is available these days, with many people looking to use them to improve their health. However, what many people fail to understand is that they can get too much of certain vitamins and minerals. Even protein, as beneficial and vitally important as it is, can be dangerous when it is consumed over and above what is considered to be safe. The American Heart Association sets the upper limit of protein intake at no more than 35% of daily caloric intake. That is protein from all sources, including food and supplements. Too much protein can cause problems that range from increased risk of kidney disease and kidney stones to heart conditions. Protein's role in the body. Protein is one of the 3 macronutrients and is used to build and repair the cells of the body. In fact, protein is involved in every cell and process of the entire body. Half of all of the protein that is consumed is used to make the enzymes that we need to digest food, make new cells and to make other chemicals. Protein is also used to make neurotransmitters which are used to send nerves messages around the body. It is also used in the creation of RNA-DNA, which is the genetic roadmap to creating the person that we all are. Proteins are also broken down during digestion into amino acids, which are then absorbed and used by the body to make new amino acids. Of the 20 amino acids, the body can make all but 9 on its own. These proteins, called the essential amino acids, have to be supplied by daily food intake. All animal proteins are complete, all 9 amino acids are present in these foods. On the other hand, plant foods, with the exception of soy protein, are incomplete because they lack 1 or more of these essential amino acids. When supplements might be a bad idea, obviously, a person who is eating more than enough dietary protein will not need supplements in their diet. However, many become convinced that they can get bigger or bulkier by adding increased amounts of protein to their diet. This long-held myth is one that continues to plague bodybuilders who actually do need a slightly increased amount of protein in their diet. These needs are not extreme and should not be mistaken for the reason for the big growth. A bodybuilder does not become big and muscular because he eats a lot of protein, but rather because he is genetically predisposed to the growth and because of the long hours he puts in at the gym. While nutrition does play a role in his overall health, it is only a part of what must be in place to get the muscles that he wants. If you are getting the protein that you need from whole foods, you really do not need to use a protein supplement, nor should you need any other supplements in your diet. It is always better to get your nutrition from whole foods. However, there are times when that is not easy to accomplish. Before starting any kind of supplement, discuss it with your doctor, especially if you are being treated for a chronic condition of any kind. You should also talk to a doctor before taking supplements if you are taking medications, including over-the-counter meds. Supplements is a benefit. For some people, eating healthy is too big of a chore to do. Some people, especially those who are trying to lose weight, may find themselves struggling to meet the right calorie count every day. Using a supplement as a between-meal snack or as a meal replacement can help to get to the right amount of calories while making sure that none of the vital nutrients that we need every day are shorted or ignored. The body will continue to seek out sources of protein. For instance, if there is not enough protein to burn for fuel, it will tear down its own muscle mass instead. The right kind of supplements are important, however, because many of them only offer a small amount of protein or the vitamin it is advertised to be replacing, with more calories and other ingredients than is beneficial. Some supplements, especially certain types of vitamin and protein supplements, can have a very bad taste, making them very hard to consume. Vitamin supplements, for instance, can be very bitter, and iron supplements are often metallic tasting, making them very unpleasant. If you can't stand the taste, it is not likely that you will consume a supplement. ProfectR, a protein supplement from Protica, is small, coming in at less than 3 fluid ounces, but it has a full 25 grams of protein per serving. To put that in perspective, some protein bars have 10 grams or less. In addition, ProfectR only has 100 calories for each of its servings and comes in a number of refreshing fruit-based flavors. Because it is heat and cold stable, it can be taken along on long trips, short errands, or to the gym without concern that it will spoil in the car. It also does not need to be mixed before being consumed. If you would like to, you can mix the small shot with another beverage. However, that is not necessary. In addition to ProfectR, Protica makes a number of other protein supplements, which include ProasisR, the first all-natural protein supplement, protein gums, candies, gelatin-based snacks, as well as other protein shots.